So go to metaforbusiness.com to start with. Let me add in my business name. So just use that as an example. Let me use my email. Okay, the confirmation email has been sent. Let me check for the confirmation email. So here is the confirmation email. All I need to do is confirm. So once you confirm the email, here is where you'll be taken to. So here you can see under account, you can see your page, add account, business asset apps, Instagram account, WhatsApp account. So here you can add your Instagram account and WhatsApp account, but the thing here is that things here are not that important. If you need them later, you will be asked to include it. But for now, let's keep this aspect. So now we'll go to developers.facebook.com to set up our bot properly. Let me go in. So we are in the developers page now. So the first thing we need to do is click on this get started button on the top right hand corner. So it takes us to this registration page. Here I will click on continue. So it's going to ask us to verify the developer account by adding a mobile number. So here it's asking me to enter the code that was sent to my number. So I've input the code. So I agree this should be my primary contact email. So it's asking about me. So who am I? So yeah, I can just tell us who you are. So I can just say I'm a business owner and founder. So after completing the registration, we'll be taken to this page. So here is the first place where we create our app. So there is no app yet created. So the first thing we need to do is create an app. So I click on create app. So I've been taken to this page. So the next thing is click on create app. It will ask you for your app name. So I'll just say so next thing is to click on next. So it's asking for use case. I click on this all. So I scroll down to where you see the last option which is this one, order. You click on it and go to next. So you have to select your app type. I go for business. Click on next. So here you are asked to select portfolio, which is optional, but you can see this the portfolio we created earlier on the business Facebook page. I select this one, then create app. It's asking me to input my Facebook login, which I will do. So I've been taken to this page. So the first thing I need to do when I'm on this page is to put my app in live mode. You can see where my toggle button is, this app mode. So I need to put the app in live mode. So the next thing I'll do is toggle this. So it will give me an option. You need to provide a valid policy URL in order to take your app to live mode. So go to app settings basic. So I'll click on this link. So it's going to take me here. So this is what I need to provide, this policy URL. So I'll go to so the policy URL will be provided in documentation. So I'm pasting the policy URL here. So I just click on save changes. So changes have been done. So what I need to do is toggle this to live again. So the app is now live. I'll go back to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard now. I'll scroll down. So here you can see this and the bot wants to set up. We have the Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So the first one I'll be setting up is my Instagram. So the first thing I'll do is click on setup. So I'll be taken to this page. So here are the things that we need to do on this page. So the first thing I'll need to do is to generate access token. So before I can do that, I need to add an account. So I'll click on add account. So there's the instruction. You will ask to log into your Instagram account. You want to assign roles. This will allow you to account to generate access token for testing. So let me click on continue. So yeah, I'll be asked to log in now. So the first thing he will ask you to do is change your account, change your profile to a professional account, which I will accept change. So ask you a series of questions. Best describe you. I'll select business and click on next. So yeah, I'll just go to next. So here it will ask me to select a category that best describe me. So I'll click on shopping and retail, the grocery store, depending on what you are doing. So I'll go to So here, click on continue. So will ask me to provide all those things, but not necessary. Just so I click on allow. So that's the first stage. I'm in. The account has been added. So the next thing for me to do will be to configure my webhook. So for me to do that, I will need to go to my Gmail, to my GSales account. Okay, so I'm in my GSales page now. So I have to go to the store list and go to under action here. I will select Instagram bots. So here is what I need. So here is my callback URL and here is my verified token. So let me copy them one after the other. Let me go back to the, so the first thing I need to copy is the callback URL. So I'll copy the callback URL first. I'll paste it here. Then I'll go back and copy the verified token. I'll paste it here and then click on verify and save. Okay, this is done. Then the next thing I need to do now is go and generate my access token. So I click on generate. So it's going to ask me to log in. So I will do. I'll click on allow. So I'll click on understand. Then I'll copy this. Done. I'll go back to my Instagram bot. So so I'll paste my access token here. That's the access token that I copy. So this Instagram page ID, let me go and copy the Instagram page ID. Here is my Instagram page ID, the one under your Instagram username. That's your Instagram page ID. Click on it and it's copied already. So I'll go back here, I'll paste it here. So what you need to do is insert your store image, and then include your welcome message. So I've inserted the image and the welcome. So I click on create bot. So the bot has been created. So I'll go back to my instead page. So that's what is needed to set up the Instagram bot. Everything has been set up. So the next thing is to test. So that's that for that. We'll meet next on the next bot setup, which is WhatsApp.